Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Hope you feel always healthy. Peace and best wishes to all of you. I respect all ages, the morning, and we respect the lecturer who teaches legal English, namely Ma'am Helena. This morning we will start lecture by continuing the presentation from other group from last week. Okay. Let me introduce Sandy from Group 10, who will build the presentation discussion today. For our discussion today is the practice of dialogue. Before that, I introduce my group friend who will help read the dialogue, namely Patricia and Alvara.
Okay guys, this is the dialogue in right. Here I choose the people to ask the dialogue in right. The first I choose Rita. The second Unianisi. The third Yuda. Please read with good intonation and with loud sound. Here I choose the best, but will I give praises to Kavli.
Hey, hi, how are you? I haven't seen you for a few days. Hi, I'm fine. I've been busy. What have you been doing? I was called to do jury duty. Wow, what was it like? It was good. It did not take too long and was fun. What happened? I have never been on a jury. I got a letter telling me to go to courthouse and I was then taken to a room. What was the case about? It was about a teenager who had done a lot of robberies. You found him to be guilty? Yes, it was easy. There was so much evidence that there was no doubt he did crime. Why did it take so long then? There was just so much evidence. The evidence to 3 days to prison, and then we only needed 15 minutes to reach our decisions.